आंगिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाग्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि तं वन्दे सात्विकं शिवम्. Children, today we will be discussing about the classical dance forms of India. There are 8 classical dance forms of India. The first one is Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Mohiniyattam from Kerala, Kathakali also from Kerala, Odissi from Orissa, Manipuri from Manipur, Kathak from North India, Satriya from Assam. Bharatanatyam is a very popular dance form of South India. It is extremely traditional and known for its grace and beautiful body movements. It is the dance of mind and soul. The second one is Kuchipudi, the art form which flourished in the state of Andhra Pradesh. This art form began in the village of Kuchipudi by a group of Brahmin boys, more as a dance drama tradition. These dance dramas known as Bhagavata Melas, which were solely performed by men. Mohiniyattam, a traditional art form of Kerala, elegance is the main feature of the dance form, which is performed only by women. The next one is Kathakali, is also a traditional theatre art form from Kerala, where Katha means a story and Kali means to play. This is mainly performed by men. Children, today I would like to tell you a story. The origin of Shastriya Nritya. The Shastriya Nritya originates from a mythological background. The story says that long ago, when the world was filled with adharma, the negative forces started acting upon the dharma. Then all gods and demigods approached and requested Lord Brahma, the creator, to create Natya Veda as an audio-visual aid to save humanity from deterioration in moral values. So this story will be continued in the next class. Now we will start with the practical classes, children. Aparna ma'am will show you the steps. You have to just follow her. Okay, children? Children, last class you had learned 4 steps. Now ma'am will be showing you the 4th step once more, because it is the continuation for the 5th step. So please observe it carefully. The 4th step is you have to jump once on the toes. For 2, beat the left leg and lift the right leg in the front. 3, jump, beat the right leg and lift your left leg at the back. Now this you have to do it on both the legs. That is the 5th step. So please observe it carefully. 1, beat the left leg, lift the right leg in the front. 3, jump, beat the right leg and take the left leg at the back. Now again you have to jump, beat the right leg and lift the left leg in the front. Again jump, beat the left leg and the right leg goes back. Children, observe, when you lift your right leg in the front, the left leg goes back. When you lift the left leg in the front, the right leg goes back. This is the 5th step. Now she will do it with the counting. Just observe it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now she will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe, toe, ta, ta, toe, toe, ta, ta, toe, toe, ta, Okay children, now we'll go for the next step, wherein you have to jump 2 times on the toes and then beat the left leg and lift the right leg in the front. Again 2 times you have to jump, beat the right leg and lift the left leg in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tom, tom, tada. 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 Next. 2 jumps again. Beat the left leg and lift the right leg in a triangle shape. Lift the left leg in the triangle shape. The same way you have to do it to the left side also. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tom, tom, tada. Tom, tom, tada. Tom, tom, tada. Tom, tom, tada. Okay. Children, today I am going to teach you something interesting. You will be learning the names of the footsteps what you are doing. That is technically called as Padabedas. It is called as Padabedas. We have 6 Padabedas. The first one is Samapada, wherein you will stand in a natural position. Both the legs are together. This is called Samapada. The second one is Udgatita, wherein you will jump on your heels. Udgatita, Udgatita, Udgatita. The next one is Agratala Sancharaha. You will jump on your toes. Agratala Sancharaha. The next one is Anchita, Anchita, Anchita. Next one is Kunchita, Kunchita, Kunchita. The last one is Suchi, Suchi. Only the first toe will touch the ground. These are the 6 Padabedas. Understood children? Learn this, and using this footsteps, I will teach you 2 more steps where you will be using Anchitapada and Kunchitapada. Just look at Aparna ma'am. The first one is you have to place your heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called Anchitapada. 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, di, ti. Ta, ta, di, ti. Ta, ta, di, ti. Ta, ta, di, ti. Now we will show the Kunchita Padam, where you have to stand on the toes. Kunchita, Kunchita, Kunchita. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, di, ti. Ta, ta, di, ti. Ta, ta, di, ti. Ta, ta, di, ti. Now children, you will practice the hand movements. How to practice the hand movements? Now you keep your hands in Katakamukha. You have to look at your hands, okay? 1, 2, look at your right hand. 3, look at your left hand. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, look up. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a good exercise for your eyes also children. Wherever your hand goes, your eyes should follow. Okay, practice this so that you will get familiarized with the hand movements also in the future classes. So practice this well, and we will meet you in the next session. Thank you children.